Are you looking to generate high quality e-commerce leads for your business or client? In this video, I will show you how to find e-commerce leads from popular platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce and more, step by step. Hey there, it's Sapek here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I create video about lead generation, how to scrape leads without any code. If you want to grow your online business with lead generation, make sure to hit subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. Before we jump into the tutorial, let me quickly explain what e-commerce lead generation is all about. When you are trying to find e-commerce leads for a client, it's really important to understand what they actually need. This will help you deliver better result and make your service more valuable. Guys, when client hire you, client need e-commerce lead like business name or company name. Client need owner's name, who is the owner of this company. Client need valid email address, business email, also personal owner email address. Client also need website URL, platform like Shopify, WooCommerce and others more. Product category or niche like fashion, beauty, home decor. Shipping service, which shipping service this company deliver. Social media link, LinkedIn, most probably country or location. So if you want to collect e-commerce lead generation, you must need those information to deliver your client. First of all, go to Google search bar and type ecommerce.aftership.com and then click enter. After visiting the site, scroll down. This site is the e-commerce directory library. We can easily find store or platform or static software. If you want, you can search any specific store or platform, whatever you want. Scroll down and you see, guys, they show you top online store: Amazon.com, Apple, Yahoo, Walmart, The Depot, TripAdvisor. If you want to need online store, you can click view all store and find all store data and easily collect data from online store. Right now I skip. They provide also online store category. If your client need any specific category, then you can choose your specific category, whatever client want, or you can find leads specific e-commerce software. Also you can choose any e-commerce software category. They also provide e-commerce platform: WooCommerce, Shopify, Wix, Squarespace, Magenta, BigCommerce. We can easily see view all platform. Guys, today I will show you how to find leads from e-commerce platform. That's why I click view all platform. But in my next video, I will show you how to find leads from Amazon.com. So right now I click view all platform. Can you see, guys, they provide many e-commerce platform. If you want, you can visit second, third, fourth page. Easily find your leads which e-commerce platform client need. Let I choose Shopify platform. So click Shopify. After visiting Shopify, just scroll down. Can you see, guys, there are a lots of Shopify store on this platform. So we just click view all Shopify store. We can see, guys, there are lots of Shopify store. Yeah, there are 500 pages. They show you Shopify store. So every page you can find at least 10 store. So you can easily collect 5,000 leads from this page. Let I choose this store. So click this one. Just scroll down. We can find everything of this company information. This company founded 13 December 2019. Platform Shopify category, headquarter, website, this company, Pinterest, profile link, and their follower 100k to 200k. Their Twitter profile and Twitter follower 51k to 100k. Their YouTube channel link, Instagram profile link. We can also find this company email address. They provide 3 email address. Also they provide Facebook profile URL and LinkedIn profile URL, and they provide also phone number. So guys, we can easily find everything of this company information. Now we don't know who is the owner of this company, so we just simply copy this company name, click copy and open a new tab and paste this company name. Then we write CEO LinkedIn profile, then click enter. So guys, they show you Vera Bradley company names. The new president and chief executive officer is Jacqueline Ardre. We find Jacqueline Ardre profile, so click this one. Can you see, guys, Jacqueline Ardre is the CEO and board director of this company. Now we can easily copy all information what actually client needs. So guys, I already created a search on my Google Spreadsheet following the information: company name, website URL, platform category, location, owner name, owner's email, company phone number. At first we copy company name. Back to our Shopify store platform and just copy company name and back to our Google Spreadsheet and paste it. Now we need to website URL. Again back to our company page, just copy website URL. copy. Back to spreadsheet and paste it. Now we need to copy platform. Again back to our e-commerce site and platform is Shopify. Just copy Shopify. Back to spreadsheet and paste it. Now we need to category. Again back to this page, category apparel. Just copy. Again back to spreadsheet and paste it. Now we need to location. Again back to this site. The location is Indiana, USA. We just copy this one. Back to spreadsheet, paste it. Now we need to company email. Again back to Shopify platform. They provide 3 email address. So I just copy this one. If you want, you can copy others email address and paste 3 email address. Now we need to company phone number. Again back to this site and copy this one. Back to spreadsheet. Just paste it. Guys, now we need to owner name. So we go to owner LinkedIn profile and just copy her LinkedIn profile and back to Google Spreadsheet and paste her name. Now we need to owner personal email. So again back to her LinkedIn profile. I already added a Chrome extension to my computer. This extension name is Apollo. Apollo show you 2 email. One email is work email, the other is personal email. So we need 2 personal email. Just copy this personal email. Make copy and back to Google Spreadsheet and paste her email. Guys, if you don't find personal email address Apollo extension, you can add another extension like SignalHire or Kendo Sourcing Ninja. You can easily find personal email address those extension. I hope you can easily understand how to edit from this extension. That's I don't show you again because previously I already show you how to edit an extension. Now we need to shipping service. Guys, this company shipping service is USPS. So guys, we just copy this shipping service USPS, just click copy and go to Google Spreadsheet and paste here. So guys, I hope now you can easily understand how to find Shopify store leads from this e-commerce directory website. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you don't miss my next video. Also, if you have any query, don't forget to ask in the comment box. If you need any freelance lead generation service, you can easily find my email address in the description below. So guys, see you in the next video.